And the fifth step is very important. A lot of people don't do it. A lot of people sleep on this because there's not a lot of money to be made here on the front side, right? But going live on Amazon with a bunch of products in your live stream, um, products in the categories that you want to have people send you. Go and put those in your showcase and go live late in the evening. Okay, that's when these Chinese brands are up. They starting working now. 8 p.m. is 8 a.m. to them, right? So get get out there after 8 o'clock. Get up there, do go live. When they're looking for people, they're going to see your live, they're going to look at it, and they're going to contact you. That's how they're going to find you. They're going to find you on live. Live is just another way for you to be exposed and get your face out there. So don't be afraid to go live. Go live. I have a workflow where I'll have 20 products and I go live. And then when the live stream is over, I can edit that live stream and make 20 shoppable videos out of that live stream.